Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this video. Allow me to teach you how to play with yarn. Do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is at this corner of the video. And do check out my other videos too. They're all as informative and fun to learn just as this video. And today I'm going to make the letter I. Someone requested a bag from me and wanted the word Kim on the back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this I in Kim. It's a crochet thing. And I crochet this alphabet. So and I sewed it onto the back. These are made from rope yarn, but now I'm going to show you with cotton yarn. You can actually use fluffy yarn or just about any type of yarn that you want, and you still come out, the alphabet will still come out nice. And any hook size depending on the type of yarn you're using. Okay, so now for this letter I, first you're gonna make a knot. Okay, this is just my habit of making a knot. So once I have a knot, I'm gonna chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 chain here. So after I chain 7, I chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're gonna work on the bum side. If you notice, these are the V shape here. The top part here is called the back loop, and this is the front loop. But now we're gonna turn it to the bum side. You turn it to the back, you'll see all this bum hanging around at the back. This is the part that we are using today. So here, chain 2, I'm gonna turn it around. This is the first bum from the stitch. I'm gonna use the second bum from the hook. Sorry, not the stitch. The second, actually you're supposed to do it on the second stitch from the hook. So instead of the stitch, I'm using the bum side. So same thing, the second bum from the hook. Okay, this is still the chain 7. From here, you do a single crochet. So this kind of turn back here. And now you do a chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So once you do a chain 3, this yarn, this part here will go this way. You notice? And chain 3. So now you turn to the back. You see the bum side here? This is the second stitch from the hook. And this is the third stitch from the hook. We are going to do a 2 together. Means I'm going to make this 2 stitch together. And now I'm going to go back to that bum side, the first bum side that we did single crochet, and do a single crochet. So once we connect it like this, you see the top part would have a tiny square thing here. So now on this chain 7, the chain 7 just now, continue to work on the bum side. Do single crochet all the way down. So I should have 5 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once I have 5 stitches, I'm going to do chain 2, 1, 2. Then after I chain 2, it will look like this. So after I chain 2 here, turn to the bum side, second stitch or second bump from the hook. So this is the first, this is the second, go to the second bump from the hook and do a single crochet. and then we're gonna jump to this last stitch here and do a single, oh, sorry, here, this last stitch here, the last stitch, and do a single crochet. So here, yeah, I didn't pull hard enough. I should have pulled harder here just now, and it will look like this. So if I'm to pull the yarn, cut the yarn, pull it to the back here, and you will have the letter I. So here, here, here. Does it look like the letter I? So thank you for watching. Hope you find this informative. Hope you managed to make the letter I for your project. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next post.